Hi guys, this is Jason, and in this video I'll be talking about how to make money on YouTube in 2020, even with a channel without AdSense. From your watching this video, I know that you want to make money on YouTube, but to qualify for AdSense on YouTube can be rather tedious, as you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time, which works out to 240,000 minutes, and you also need to have 1,000 subscribers. This can be a very tedious and long task. So today I'm going to show you a few steps on how you can monetize your channel without AdSense, and you can start making money daily. But before I dive any deeper in the video, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, as I plan to release daily videos on how we can start making money on YouTube. In the past, I've released numerous videos showing how much money other YouTubers are making. Well, it's time now for me to show you guys, and for me also, to start stepping up my game and earning on YouTube. Well, the first thing I can suggest for you guys is if you have an audience that in a specific niche, for instance in the wrestling niche or in the sports niche, overall any niche, I can recommend that you try affiliate marketing. A lot of us know about Amazon, and although Amazon payout tends not to be a lot, it adds up. As you can see, their affiliate program is easy to sign up to, and once you have a subscriber count of, for instance, of even 50 or even 100, you can try it out. As a person can click on your link, which you will put in the description of your video, and go on Amazon and purchase something, and it doesn't have to be something that you were advertising in the video or even in the link. Anything that they purchase on Amazon during that process that your cookie is activated, you will get an earning. For instance, you can see that Amazon pays 10% for luxury and beauty items, and also if you are in the home finishing niche, for instance if you're talking about furniture or other gardening products, you can make money. And also headphones, anything overall, you can recommend Amazon. And even if you don't talk about any products or at all, you can also still sign up with Amazon and use their Audible, as everybody nowadays is reading an audiobook, and Audible actually has some good payout. As you can see, they are saying now there are 3 ways to earn on Audible products, as you get $10 for every visitor who signs up for Audible Gold membership, but you also get $5 for every visitor who signs up for an Audible 30-day free trial. And who doesn't like freeness? So I think that would be a good way to earn money also. But if you are like me and you want to earn serious money, Amazon may not be the spot for you. So I suggest that you just go into Google and there's an affiliate program for almost everything. If you are in the wrestling niche, you can sign up with WWE specifically, and you'll earn even a better payout. As you can see, this site offers a majority of affiliate programs. It's called flexoffers.com, and you can see they have different categories, from automotive, business, careers, clothing, consumer electronics, digital products, education, energy, entertainment, family, anything. They have an affiliate program for it, and their payouts tend to be a lot better than Amazon, and their cookie also lasts longer than the Amazon cookie also. But if you don't want to do affiliate marketing, you can also try drop shipping and sell your own products, as you can order products from China, for instance, on websites like AliExpress, and sell it to your viewers. If that's not the way you want to go, you can also try Patreon. Patreon is a website that is similar to YouTube, only instead your subscribers would pay a certain fee every month to watch your videos. The minimum fee I know of would normally be like $5. So for every person that signs up, you get $5. So if you're an artist or anything at all and you want to put exclusive content on your Patreon and then just advertise it on YouTube, you can make serious bucks doing that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was informative for you and it will help help you to start earning money on YouTube. If you did, please be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe as I release daily videos. Thank you.